Hi, so I'm going to walk through with you on how we can create assignments for students and have them submit a story as an assignment, and then also how the student side looks as far as the story creation. So in this, if you create a new assignment on the teacher side, you go to create assignment, we'll just story assignment 1. And then the new thing here is this button. So if you hit create a story, a teacher can put a rubric. I know I'm not actually putting a rubric, I just want to show that the words and what you enter does persist through the pages. Alright, so then if we create a new assignment, the assignment's created, you'll see that these things do persist. Let's assign it. I created a test classroom, so we'll assign it to the classroom. Now let's go to the student side. So on the student side, we go to assignments, we're going to see the test story that we just created. When you go into the test story, or the assignment that we have the story assigned to, you'll see that it says this assignment requires that you submit a story, shows that no story is submitted yet, shows the rubric, shows the link to whatever rubric link the teacher inputs. If you try to submit for grading, it'll show you that you haven't completed all the tasks. So then if we go to stories, this is going to look familiar. You'll see this. These are ones I was testing, so these were stories that were submitted and already graded. This kind of looks a little bit familiar as far as the list. The header I'm sure looks different, but we'll go to create a story. Let's create a multi-chapter story. And all of this is going to be the same stuff that you're probably used to from the teacher side of when they create stories. So it's leveraging the same code. I know I'm not writing things that make sense. I just want to kind of create the story and then show you how this all works. So this will create a story just like it does on the teacher side for us. It'll show us the same sort of interface that we're used to. So we'll see that the new story was created. Sorry, I'll put my phone on silent. We'll see the new story was created. There's the summary thing they can open up. They can enter in a summary if they want. Enter in anything they want on the body. You'll see the credits part down here. You'll see the media stream. If they want to add a picture, they could add a picture. If they want to add an image, let's see. I always use my stepmom's picture because it's easy to do. So you'll see the same interface down here. So then we can add a chapter. And this is going to do the same thing that we're used to with the other one. It'll create a new chapter. And then I'll show you what the differences are that happen now for them being able to assign the story. So now we have a new chapter. We have that previous button up here that'll go to the preface page. Same sort of interface we're used to. If we go to stories in progress, what this is going to show us is it's going to show us a brief history. That's that story we just created. And now there's a select box by here because this story hasn't been assigned to an assignment. So if we want, and we have an assignment available. So if we have an assignment available that needs a story assigned to it, and we haven't assigned one already, the select box will come up and allow you to select the story and then assign it to the assignment. And then it'll say it's submitted as an assignment. When we go into our assignments area, we'll select there and we'll now see that down here it says that we have this story assigned to it. So we can submit it for grading. So we submit the story for grading. On the teacher side, if the teacher goes to their grading area, they're going to see this story assignment 1. They can grade it, they can pull it up, select the student. It'll say that it's ungraded so far. They can assign a grade to the story. Once they've done that, they can finalize. And then the thing here is that it gives a lot. They can add comments to the student. Save the comments. They can click on this link. And this is kind of the cool thing. So this link will open the story and a new page. And what it does is it opens the story and makes it kind of mimic what we have on as if it was published. Like you get the chapters and the table of contents to go through. And then let's see, what is the next thing? Okay, so now the story's graded. If the student goes into their grading area, they will story assignment 1. That's the one that we just did. So they'll see the grade and the grade the teacher gave. Okay, I hope that was informative.